Welcome back to Storytime. Thank you for joining me today. I have a book titled Plants Feed Me, and it's written and illustrated by Lizzie Rockwell. I'm wondering, do you eat plants? Where do we find plants? Plants feed me. I am a plant eater. Look at all those plants. Plants reach up for the sun. They grow down in the ground. Got some peas, some beans, some carrots. I eat different parts from different plants. This is chard, lettuce. Sometimes I eat the leaves, spinach, cabbage. And sometimes I eat the roots and tubers. Carrot, root. Potatoes are a root. A radish has a root. Parsnip. Roots get water and food from earth. I eat the bulbs. I eat the stems and flowers too. Here's an onion, the bulb, asparagus, a stem, flowers. Here's broccoli. There's a little worm down there. I eat fruits. Some grow on trees. Apples. First, flowers bloom, then come the fruits. Fruits have seeds. A seed can grow a new plant. Blueberries are fruits. They grow on a bush. And melons are fruit. They grow on a vine. Fruits hang from the tomato plant. Pumpkins, peppers, and eggplants are fruits too. In some plants, the seed is the best part to eat. Peas are seeds. They grow inside pods. There's a pea seed, and then the outer part is called a pod. Beans do too. String beans, cranberry beans, and dried beans. I eat seeds from rice plants. I eat seeds from wheat plants. Wheat seeds make flour. Flour is used to make bread and lots more. Pasta, cereal, flour. Walnuts are seeds. They fall from tall trees. There's the fruit. The fruit opens. There's a walnut in its shell. We open the shell, and there's the walnut. I eat seeds and I eat leaves. I eat flowers, bulbs, and stems. I eat roots and fruits. Plants feed me. Plants feed the world. Do plants feed you? Did you see some things in there that you like to eat? I hope so. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.